Hi, I'm Allison Frederick, Assistant Public Affairs Manager for the Lake County Forest Preserve District. Welcome to the movement to battle buckthorn and create a healthy, more diverse urban landscape. It will take a few years before you can consider your yard a buckthorn-free zone, but the steps are incredibly simple. Identify the plant as buckthorn. Yank up small seedlings, root and all. Cut larger shrubs with loppers or a saw a few inches above the soil. Clear out the leaf litter so I know where the soil is. Make sure I'm not cutting anything I want to be protecting. It'll also help for finding it against herbicide. Now this one is about the size of my thumb, so my loppers can still handle it. This is about as big as the loppers can handle though. Open all the way up, snip. Buckthorn grows nice and thick, dense patches, so sometimes they come out of the soil at an angle here. It's important to keep your loppers parallel with the ground so that your cut is parallel. That's really helpful later to ensure proper herbicide application. Apply herbicide to prevent regrowth. Plant a mix of native trees, shrubs, and wildflowers to encourage those natural processes and regain privacy hedges. If we all started tomorrow and prompted our neighbors to do the same, we could tackle this issue in a few short years. So, let's tell this vile invader the buckthorn stops here.